Hello kids! Welcome to our Science 3 class. I am Teacher Romeline, your teacher in science. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to describe the different sources and uses of heat in everyday life. Are you ready? Let's get started! What are the sources of light? Some things that give off light are the sun, fire, stars, flashlight, light bulb, and candle flame. There are two kinds of light, the natural light and the artificial light. Now, identify the following pictures if the sources of light is natural or artificial. Firefly. Is it artificial or natural? Very good. Natural. Now, light from the candle. Is it artificial or natural? Very good. It is artificial. Next, sun. Light from the sun. Artificial or natural? Very good. It is natural because it is made by God. Now, how about this one? Flashlight. Light from the flashlight. Is it artificial or natural? Very good. Artificial. Next, moon. Light from the moon. Is it natural or artificial? Very good. It is natural. Now, look at the pictures. What do you see in the picture? Very good. A sun, fire, oven, iron, and stove. What does these things give off? Very good. So this morning, we will tackle about sources of heat and its uses. Before I will proceed, let us first do this activity. I will give you 5 minutes to finish the activity. Now, let us answer your activity. In picture number 1, what is the source of heat? Very good. Sun. How is the heat used in this picture? Very good. It is used to dry clothes. How about in picture number 2? What is the source of heat? Very good. Stove. How is the heat used? Very good. It is used to cook. Next. In picture number 3, what is the source of heat? Very good. Fire. How is the heat used? Yes, to get rid of cold. And picture number 4, what is the source of heat? Very good. Toaster. How is the heat used? Very good, to toast a bread. Next, in picture number 5, what is the source of heat? Very good, the sun. How is the heat used? Very good, to charge. Now, what vitamin can we get from the sun? Very good, we can get vitamin D from the sun. We can also get vitamin D from the following foods in the picture: the carrots, papaya, meat, eggs, and cheese, sweet potato, mangoes, fish, broccoli, squash, apricot, peaches, melon, avocado, pepper, and many more. How many foods are rich in vitamin D? Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 is an odd number. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that do not have pair. It ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. What are even numbers? Very good. Even numbers are numbers that pair. It ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. What would happen if we are lack in vitamin D? Very good. We will experience this following. We have mood changes, bone loss, muscle cramps, bone and joint pain, and fatigue. Our bones will be look like this. We will have a rickets. Great job, kids! Are the sources of heat important? Why? Very good. Yes, because without heat, we cannot cook our food. We cannot also dry our clothes. We will be cold all day. We cannot toast bread and we cannot charge our phone. What are its uses? The uses of heat are for cooking, drying clothes, to toast, to charge, to get rid from cold, and many more. What would happen if there is no heat? Very good. If there is no heat, we cannot cook our food. We cannot also dry our clothes. We cannot charge. We cannot get rid of cold. And we cannot toast bread. What should we do if we know that a certain thing is hot? Very good. If we know that a certain thing is hot, we should use a pot holder or a cloth in holding it. Now, for your board work. Show me your board. Right check if the picture shows sources of heat and X if not. Number 1, sun. Is it a check or X? Very good. Check because it is a source of heat. Next, ice candy. Is it check or X? Very good. X. Number 3, stove. Is it check or X? Very good. Check. Number 4, ice. Is it check or X? Very good. X because it is very cold. Oven. Check or X? Very good. Check. It is a source of. What are the sources of heat? Very good. The sources of heat are oven, stove, sun, fire, iron, candle, and many more. What are the uses of heat? Very good. The uses of heat are for cooking, to dry clothes, to charge, to get rid of cold, to toast, and many more. And now, prepare a paper and a ballpen for a test. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the source of heat shown in the picture? A. Ice. B. Fire. C. Water. D. Sun. Number 2. What is the source of heat shown in the picture? A. Pot. B. Sun. C. Ladle. D. Stove. Number 3. What is the use of heat shown in the picture? A. To wet the clothes. B. To dry the clothes. C. To cook the clothes. D. To make the clothes beautiful. Number 4. Why is heat important? A. Because it is used to cook. B. Because it is used to dry clothes. C. Because it is used to get rid of cold. D. All of the above. And for number 5, give one source of heat. Now let us check your answer. Number 1. What is the source of heat shown in the picture? A. Ice. B. Fire. C. Water. D. Sun. The correct answer is letter B. Fire. Number 2. What is the source of heat shown in the picture? A. Pot. B. Sun. C. Ladle. D. Stove. Very good. The correct answer is letter D. Stove. Number 3. What is the use of heat shown in the picture? A. To wet the clothes. B. To dry the clothes. C. To cook the clothes. D. To make the clothes beautiful. The correct answer is letter B. To dry the clothes. Number 4. Why is heat important? A. Because it is used to cook. B. Because it is used to dry clothes. C. Because it is used to get rid of cold. D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. Number 5. Give one source of heat. So the answer is, it could be fire, candle, sun, stove, oven, toaster, or iron. Okay, it depends upon your answer. For your assignment, those who got 4 to 5, list at least 2 sources of electricity. And those who got 0 to 3, make a collage or drawing of the different sources of heat. Great job, kids! Thank you for listening to our lesson. Goodbye!